Hey there, Bricksers and Lego friends! I have some Lego Christmas decorations that I have on the tree, as well as some Lego built decorations that I wish to share with you. It's going to be a short video, but here they are. Now these balls right here came from Legoland, so that's pretty cool to have a set of those. Now there's that one there, there's green and red. And also there was another set that I got that had yellow and blue in them. And these sort of have like a frosty finish on them as well. So they're kind of really neat. This is Legoland. So I got them in Legoland, Florida. Here's another decoration that we got at Legoland, Florida. You could build these. It's like the little bubble, snow bubble, with printed snowflakes on the top. That was really neat, and they were only $2.99, so they were not bad at all. And you could make your own minifigure and put it in there as well. So we got a minifigure with a pot and a ice cream on it. Pretty cool decoration from Legoland, Florida, and a keepsake to say that as well. Now on to some other decorations for Christmas here. We got the Lego Star Wars Yoda and the Lego Star Wars Boba Fett. Now these were Hallmark decorations that were out several years ago. And I did some videos, I think, on these as well. I know I did one on the Boba Fett. Not sure if I did one on the Yoda. But they are of the Christmas decoration theme and of Star Wars, but Lego. Also, we have the Jango Fett Santa Claus that came in one of the Advent calendars, and the Yoda Santa Claus that came in one of the calendars. So that's all we have for the Star Wars decorations, but I want to bring these out as well and just show you, as well as Lego, there are other Lego themed decorations, and these ones were from Hallmark in the center that you can hang on the tree. Now if you have keychains of any of your Star Wars characters, you could probably hang them on for decorations as well. However, these ones are really cool. Love them. Well, that is all I have for Christmas decorations that are loose and not on the display. Most of them are down in the Winter Village or in front of my TV, which is the sets that I have sort of gave you my opinions and review on over this past month. So check them all out. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.